Good morning. Hang on, wait a second. Bear with me. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 19th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to show my technical analysis for you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. I'm thinking we're due for a rally here. I'm still expecting to see some more downside. We've still got a double top that's broken down on Bitcoin with a really attractive target in the 69K to 70K area, but I'm still thinking we're probably going to see a rally here. We are failing at the moment at the 200 DMA and the daily middle band, and that needs to change if we're going to go higher. But we've got a nice looking IHS which is broken up on Bitcoin. We've been forming what looks like a bull flag setup, and I'm thinking this is going to head up to there and either fail there, which I would prefer not to see, or move up. Now, a lot of this depends on the rally on equities. If that happens, and the setup for it is very nice, then we should see this move up, and we'll say the IHS target is in the 92,000 area, and we've got a nice looking trendline target in about the 95,000 area. I would very much like to, and I think we're going to see today. What I've been wary of is the possibility that we would break down below the right shoulder low. We've not got close to it. We got a bit closer on Sol, but the setup is nice, and I am leaning towards it playing out. Looking at Solana. Solana still got resistance at the daily middle band. We've gone a little lower. Bitcoin's a lot closer to the daily middle band right now, but we didn't break back below the right shoulder low at 120.74 on the IHS. The IHS is still very much valid. You often get these bull flags form after an IHS breaks up, and then you see the next move up. We've got resistance at 135. On decline for main declining resistance, and we've got the target up in about the 151 area. We will see how that goes. Looking at Ethereum, we've still got enough possible weakish RSI 14 buy signal brewing. We've got a nice trend line set up here. I really like it, actually. And the next obvious move within the trend line setup is to head up to, possibly form a reversal pattern on the way, but we've seen a nice little move up here, and I'm liking a move up into this trendline resistance, or at least the start of a move up into this trendline resistance, which is currently in the 2750 area. We will see how it goes, but the rally setup is all there on Solana and Bitcoin. We haven't broken any head and shoulder patterns. I'm liking the upside, and if equities behave today and do what they should, an FOMC will probably cause some pleasure by cutting interest rates, although they're actually cutting interest rates because we're likely going into recession. So that would be my expectation. I think we've still got our not quite 2 week window now, but still, almost 2 week window to see a rally in, and I would still really like to see that rally. After that, I suspect we will turn back down as the main part of the tariffs hit, which Trump seems very, very keen on applying, and that is going to cause some trouble. But I think there is we've got a few days for an optimism window here. We've got a very nice setup for a rally to the upside. Let's see whether we can get it. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Not seeing any questions. Let's see how it goes today. All right, my pleasure, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow.